Hello and welcome to the Data Center Frontier Trends Summit. I'm Matt Vincent, Editor-in-Chief of Data Center Frontier. Like our founder and founding editor Rich Miller wrote on LinkedIn shortly before we got here, this is going to be fun. We're so happy to have you all here and so happy to be here at this entirely full show, with people practically banging on the door to get in. I heard that people have been sharing badges. That's the demand in this industry. This is going to be fun, but it's also going to be a lot. A lot of information delivered in really good panels with uniformly superb speakers and discussions and professional networking here today for you. Just a stone's throw from Data Center Alley, the global epicenter of the world's most pivotal and incredibly growing industry. That's what I tell them back at Endeavor Business Media. The data center industry simultaneously elevates and underpins basically every other industry, enterprise, and government in the world. It's not a boast, just a fact. And this industry, as everyone here knows, is now well on its way into a period of even more unprecedented growth. You've heard that turn of phrase a lot this year. And investment, based on the amazing boom in AI and gigawatt hyperscale campus and colocation facility development and construction. As our founding editor Rich Miller has said, it's a time of big, fast change in the data center industry. Data Center Frontier, DCF, has always been focused on the future of data centers, covering the dynamic and interrelated technology and business streams involved in developing these facilities and campuses, where the internet and cloud computing and AI lives, from the substation down to the chip and the fluid that cools it. And now this industry, which fuels nearly every other industry, as it also drives global economies, societies and cultures, and government and scientific research, is amid this time of big, fast change as it grapples with the AI and HPC-sized supercomputing inflection points, and is also wrapping its heads around associated, massive oncoming energy demands while seeking to balance this unprecedented growth. There's that adjective again. With an overwhelming need for green and sustainable operations and construction outcomes due to the present climate catastrophe, which we know with certainty is also escalating. DCF has also always been about talking to and learning from the industry's most knowledgeable leaders, experts and influencers, as we keep an eye on what's coming and what's percolating at the edge of innovation for all industry stakeholders, and what they should be thinking about along the journey of furnishing the internet, the cloud, AI, and the larger digital infrastructure's growth in response to ethically escalating oncoming demand. And what I want you to remember going into the next few days is that by being here with us at this sold-out conference, you're not only on the frontier of data centers, but you are the frontier of data centers. Similarly, over the next few days in this hall, you're going to hear from an amazing array of data center industry influencers on the stage. But what I want you to remember is that just by being here in this room, you really are also the industry's influencers.